Hi, my name is Dr. Sachin Gupta, and I'm the director of the Swedish Cochlear Implant program and the Swedish Acoustic Neuroma program. I'd like to invite you to our next installment of our live endoscopic ear surgery series. On June 27th, I will perform a cochlear implant procedure live on Zoom. What makes this live ear surgery series unique is the opportunity to observe a moderated surgery in real time. You'll gain insight into the latest techniques and approaches that we use here at Swedish in the operating room. This live ear surgery series is ideal for physicians of all levels who are eager to expand their knowledge of ear surgery. Whether you're looking to refine your skills or stay up to date on the latest advancements, this course offers a rare chance to witness procedures and have them explained in real time. We created this live ear surgery series to provide a place where physicians can observe high-quality surgical techniques in a real-world setting. By offering live surgeries, we aim to inspire, educate, and equip healthcare providers with the tools they need to deliver exceptional patient care. So please join me on June 27th for the next installment of our live ear surgery series.